So the next thing to do. Feeling? Huh?
So
Good? What's happening? Try to look good. Shall we go down?
No.
Okay. Dan, how are you feeling, Dan?
Bro, it's
you want to go deeper? Let's go deeper.
please.
Let's go.
Please.
Mama. Mommy. Come.
No. I'm going.
Let's go near the boat at least.
No way, no freaking way. I can't. No.
Volleyball was tiring, no? Volleyball was mad tiring. You didn't win? Bro, national volleyball player? I haven't played volleyball even once in my life.
For
destroyed you.
I got so many shots. We were a good team.
I destroyed you. We were a good team because I came to your side. Then only you started.
Yes, no way.
Bro, I started wrecking you.
No way.
But damn tired, man. Did you see Asad sleeping?
Yeah, he's so cute. Chicky. So I don't know.
So cold now inside.
Yeah. We go here.
They had to keep the AC
night?
on. Where? Here? Viewpoint? Not in the night, bro. We won't see anything in the night. We have to go in the morning.
Lights, so we can go.
We'll go in the morning. So warm inside here, no? Huh? Yeah, what the hell?
It's like possessed. Oh shit, I was leaning on
Bugger. What the hell?
Sorry.
So we just finished swimming. We changed also. Had some rest. Now we're heading for dinner. I'm so sick, man.
Yeah, I can see.
Bro, either we'll do shit like all night, like what the hell, like damn, so tired.
You need a heater now instead of an AC.
For real, dude. There's no heater also, no, in the room. I mean, it's not too early, you know. What the hell?
You sleep in the balcony.
At the balcony will be cold, dude. It's the beach. There'll be wind coming in. Hopefully, have something warm to eat for dinner. Let's say it's buffet today, so all good. I am so happy that it's buffet, but I'm so sad that I'm sick. I won't be able to eat. Anyways, let's see. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Not a smoker, man. I'm not a smoker. Yeah. Morning routine. How long are you going to eat, man?
Just wait till you can't eat.
They're gonna shut the place down, huh? Finished having breakfast.
You're done, man.
Yeah, man, I'm so sick. I couldn't even eat breakfast. So it's such a waste for me, man.
Right now, yeah.
My appetite has reduced like a lot. How are you eating so much?
Even if
They had to chase you away out of that.
that's bullshit. I'm like getting better now. You're...
No, like you don't eat, right? Throughout the whole week.
No.
Then how is your appetite so full?
No, like
How is your appetite so big, like?
It's not big. I ate like one bit of everything. I mean, that is a lot.
I couldn't even eat half of what you ate.
That's because you're sick. Otherwise, you can eat more than me.
We are looking around in this, what do you call?
This looks
What do you call this, man?
garden
Area. Yeah. There's so much to do and so much to see
really
here,
nice,
you know.
like villa.
Massive infrastructure, no? I don't think that's a villa. I think that's a spa. Don't know. Not sure.
Yeah. And
So
it has like small cabanas. On
That's a
bridge.
cabana?
On a bridge. I
Could be a suite room also, no?
highly doubt.
Could be even.
It's too small for a suite room.
We can only see and like we can only
Just
go
like
there.
I'm saying, like a cabana for like a one massage place, like you know.
Let's go and check it out. So.
Yeah, let's find out.
Close your eyes, hear the voice within calling. This heavy load got under your skin. Hauling, you got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside. Heading for collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors. Right.
Damn, look at the trees, man. The view is amazing, no, over here.
Moments pass, make this one count. Untie. You're so good at dragging yourself down. Why? Well, there ain't much time left to figure things out. Deep underneath all the laser, your doubts. There's a heart gone out of rhythm and despair. Held underwater, fine for air. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in. knuckles, hold it on a tie.
So there are two pools in this hotel. This is the infinity pool. The other one is downstairs. That's a bigger one. This is like a smaller one, but this is like really pretty. Yeah, check this out. Look at that. You can see the beach right here. So nice. Such a pretty view. Usually, like it's really sunny now. It's like before lunch. It's like at around. I think the time is like 12 o'clock now. Like you expect it to be like really warm, it's really sunny also, but then the water is so cold. I think because it's really windy and it's really high at the 12th floor, so it's like still really cold regardless of the sun, man. Crazy.
Keep your feelings bottled up inside. Heading for collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die.
Hammer? Lunch was terrible, man. The service was so bad. They miscalculated the amount of guests and they only had like one dining area available, and then there was like a massive shortage of food also. We were there for the buffet and we didn't get half the shit, like desserts and all. We couldn't eat half the ones. How was dinner, babe? How was lunch?
It's really bad.
Why so?
The potato was really nice.
What, the potato wedges? The service?
The water glass was stinking like egg, bro.
Service was terrible, no? These guys.
I had to wait for like half an hour for one glass of water.
Damn. So we will be checking out now. I'm gonna miss this place, man. The place is all nice. Look at the view. The place is nice, just that the service is a bit messed up, you know. And buffet, I don't know, like buffet was so rushed, man. There's so much shit happening. People like freaking everywhere, you know. There's like no space to even move. The only thing I'm unimpressed about this place is the buffet. Other than that, the room is nice. What do you call it? There's so much stuff to do, like at the pool, and like there's so much like the beach. There's a lot of stuff to do, like you can play beach volleyball and whatnot. And the place has two different pools. One like a common, like a huge pool, and another one is like in the 12th floor. It's a infinity pool. The place is really nice. It's like built really well. The only issue is the service is a bit messed up, you know. And the whole dining arrangements. Dining arrangements are horrible, man. Let's not even talk about it. It's been really rough. I've been like really sick, like the whole night. I couldn't enjoy properly at all, and I couldn't even eat dinner and breakfast properly. For lunch I was fit now. I was sick. I was supposed to take a rest, but then I wanted to swim in the infinity pool, and now somehow I'm doing better. I don't know how. Anyways, they're gonna check out now, so back to Colombo. Back to the shitty lifestyle. Let's go. What?
Right side is
Right side is accelerator, left side is brake.